So, Isaac Newton, I've come to inquire the universe. That's Sir Isaac Newton to you. Just remember, it all started with the apple falling from the tree. Okay. In order to know, we must use the scientific method. What's that? Yeah, and what do you teach again? What? Teach? You know that place you go with the kids? Oh, besides Kyrie, I don't care about them. I just care about making the big bucks. Huh. A science teacher that doesn't know the scientific method. I know the scientific method. No, the scientific method. You make an observation using your five senses. They make a guess called a hypothesis. I know the scientific method. No, the scientific method. Hold up. Stop the motion. Consider the situation. Form a prediction. No, the scientific method. No, the scientific method. You follow the procedures of your experiment. Remember these three things. You must consider them: control group, independent, and dependent variable. No, the scientific method. No, the scientific method. Draw a conclusion and remember thou me. It all started with an apple falling from a tree. Word. Respect. Breaking news. A mysterious explosion killed Miss Hartenstein. We don't care. Oh, well, did I mention the explosion dented 15 folding chairs? OMG, not the folding chairs. They were so innocent. I know what I must do now. OMG, not the 15 folding chairs. They were so innocent. I know what I must do now. I must find Hannah Montana and study geology, the scientific study of rocks and crap, in memory of the 15 folding chairs. Most of all, I must remember that it all started with the apple falling from the tree. Is it taping? All right. Hi, y'all. I'm Hannah Montana, which is stupid since I'm from Tennessee. What do you need me for, Kyrie? Well, after hearing your song, I've got a diamond, which is a mineral. The day you insult it is the day of your funeral. I decided that maybe you can help me learn about minerals. You bet I can. 1, 2, 3, 4. If we were a mineral, we'd be inorganic and occur naturally. We'd shine and be crystalline solids. We'd be laughing about our consistent chemical composition. Not coal, not brass, but a mineral. Where's the mouse? Wow, I'm so enlightened. Thanks, Hannah Montana. Now I understand a mineral, but how can you tell one from the other? Didn't you listen to my best song ever to classify a mineral? No. Beat. To classify a mineral, you check the color and streak, hardness and density. To classify a mineral, check the luster and breakage. If nothing else fails you, my dear. Woo! Yeah, we love you, Hannah Montana. Woo! Yeah. Alfred Wegener at your service. I was hoping you could explain this. What is that? What is that? Decaying rocks? Listen, I want a rocket cycle all night and change her every day. This is the reason I'm to inquire of you. Well, I, Alfred Wegener, got a theory. Alright. Well, I, Alfred Wegener, had a theory. I've got a theory. It makes me weary, dreary, extraordinarily. Oh, yes, this theory. Oh, yes, my theory. We started as a supercontinent named Pangea, surrounded by a sea called Pantalacia.